In this video, you'll learn how to upload a file on Microsoft Forms using the Quick Import feature so you can quickly turn an existing document into an online form or survey. Let's start by opening Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser or by opening it through your Microsoft 365 apps. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you're working with school or organizational forms, so that everything saves to the right place. Once Microsoft Forms is open, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can see your existing forms and create new ones. On this dashboard, look for an option labeled Quick Import. This feature is designed to save you time by converting an existing file into an online form instead of you manually recreating each question. Click on Quick Import. When you do, Microsoft Forms will ask where you want to import your file from. For this tutorial, choose the option that says Upload from this device. This means you're going to upload a file stored locally on your computer, such as a Word document or a compatible file that contains your questions or survey content. When you select Upload from this device, a file browser window will open. Navigate through your folders to find the file you want to upload. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions or similar documents. Once you've located it, click on the file and then choose Open to start the upload. After selecting the file, Microsoft Forms will analyze its contents and ask how you want to use it. You'll see an option to import the file either as a form or as a survey. A form is typically used for things like quizzes, registrations, or feedback with more structured questions. A survey is often better when you're collecting opinions or more open-ended responses. Choose the option that best matches what you're trying to create. If you're not sure, think about your goal. Structured data usually fits a form, while broader feedback usually fits a survey. Once you've chosen whether to import it as a form or a survey, Microsoft Forms will begin converting your file. This may take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of the document. During this process, the system is trying to identify questions, choices, and sections from the file and turn them into interactive form fields. When the conversion is complete, Microsoft Forms will create a new form or survey based on your selection. You'll then be able to open it directly from the dashboard. Click on the newly created form or survey to review it. Go through each question to make sure everything looks correct and is formatted the way you want. Sometimes you may need to adjust question types, fix wording, or reorder items, but most of the structure should already be in place. And that's all there is to it. You've uploaded a file into Microsoft Forms using Quick Import, chosen how to import it, and converted it into a form you can now edit, share, and collect responses from.